Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum ETF, BlackRock, many different altcoins and what I think is going to happen in the market right now and in the immediate short term. Now, please stay tuned until the end. I'm going to show you some nice trade opportunities for altcoins also and what I think will perform very well in the next upcoming days and weeks. Now, let's jump straight into the Bitcoin chart and see what's going to happen here. Here we are still on Ethereum. Let me quickly go to Bitcoin. And as we can see, Bitcoin pumped yesterday from here to here to from $36,000 to $38,000, and then it dumped again to 35,500, which is very uncertain move. Why this happened? Because at the same time we have the Ethereum ETF news from BlackRock, and that's what moved Ethereum up. But I don't understand why Bitcoin went down with this news. But let's see later when we're gonna look at the Ethereum chart what we think about it. Now, what do I think? I think Bitcoin is back in the channel. It's probably gonna still move into this channel for some couple more days or weeks, and we are probably not gonna see some important price actions, especially because now it's Friday. Tomorrow is going to be the weekend. Funds and family offices are not trading in the weekend, so that's why I think we probably won't see any price action in the next couple of days. I could be wrong, of course. Anything can happen. Any positive news can pump up the price at this moment very nice. And this is also amazing news, and we see that news have a very positive reaction on the market right now. Because if you remember, a couple months ago, we even got positive news, but the market was just not moving. Because the market was not ready to move up. So now we are ready to move up. Everybody's watching the crypto charts and the crypto news, and they are ready to buy in even more funds and institutional investors. Now let's quickly go over to Ethereum and see what we have here. We see Ethereum broke also out of this parallel channel right here. It was facing a big resistance right here, and then it pumped with the ETF BlackRock news. Now we can see Ethereum jumped around 10% from $900 to $2,100, even more. I think it's around 12.5%. So congratulations to all Ethereum holders. If you made some nice profits, if you have some nice trades, share them in the Telegram group, share them to me on Twitter. I always like your stuff if you tag me, and try to get into conversation with you as much as possible. And what else do we see? We see a lot of altcoins went down with Bitcoin yesterday, unfortunately. Like, for example, if we check out, let's check out Chili's. As we can see, guys, here we dropped like, let me quickly get a measurement tool. We dropped 15%, guys, 15%. So if you had a 10x leverage trade open, you would have got liquidated on this movement. So that's why don't use too high leverage. Don't gamble, guys. I think with 5x you can even make a very nice profits also, and even 10x. I think it's if you're not a professional, I think it's a bit too high for non-professionals, and you can also still make gains with lower average. We can even make good gains on spots. So for example, Matic, let's quickly jump over to Matic. Matic went from 50 cents to 80 cents in this month. So it made around, let me quickly show it to you from here. Actually from here, this was on 21 of November, or yes. No, this is, let me quickly see. 1 second, was on 19th of October, and now we have the 10th of November. So in about 3 weeks, Matic did 64%. So let's say you would have invested $10,000, you would have made $6,400. So you can still make some very beautiful profits on spot also. You don't have to trade. Now let me quickly show you some other altcoins that I think are gonna perform very well. I, for example, am very bullish on Doge. I think Doge can pump a lot more if Elon will make it as a payment system on X. Then I think it will do very well. Now also Doge dropped a lot with the news. Also 12% and 95. Not nice. But it happens. That's why always use a stop loss, always be prepared for the worst and the best. Always have a best case scenario and the worst case scenario. That's how good traders are doing it. Now, Link, I just bought more Link on the dip yesterday at 13.90, I think it went somewhere there. And I'm very happy with my buys. I think Link will probably jump up to like maybe $20 in the future. Last time we talked about $18, which is the red line here. I think that's very possible to achieve in the next couple weeks if the market continues to stay bullish like this. Now S&P and Nasdaq around 1% down, Tesla 5% down. So let's see what's gonna happen. Google also 1% down, not so nice. Gold is up a little bit from yesterday. I think yesterday were like at 1,940. Now, what else do we have here? XRP is also performing quite well. And also let me show you one coin that I showed you guys, and I hope you all bought in early on this coin. And this coin is Ordi, and Ordi is sitting now at $20, guys. $20.41, which is amazing. We were buying ordinals or Ordi at around $6 in May. Let me quickly jump over to my Twitter so you don't think I'm here. Here you can see it. Here I was talking about Ordi on the 6th of May. Now you can see here ordinals. It was yesterday $15, and today we are even at $20, guys. So you would have made around 4x's on ordinals just on spot. So let's say you would have invested $10,000, you would have made $40,000 out of it. Now you could have took some profits out. You could have took your initial investment 10k, and you would still have $30,000 in Ordi. That's why I love the crypto market so much. That's the only place where you can make gains like this in a very short amount of time. Now let me quickly jump over the camera and say goodbye to you. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, Mario Decentralized or Mario Decentralized Bull on Twitter. There I'm sharing with you a lot of news and insights, and also my live trades. I'm also sharing them on Instagram and on Twitter. So please follow me there. Send me a message if you have some questions. I'm always answering you and trying to provide as much knowledge and value for all of you guys. Love you all. Thank you all for watching, and see you all again tomorrow. Bye bye. Don't forget to take profits as always.